Hello everyone, this is Long, and today I'll be showing you an herb that I've been growing for the last 3 months in the container. And I've been eating this herb since I was little, and my mom have never told me what the benefits that we would get from this herb, which is eat it traditionally in our family. And the name of this herb is called the Bacopa Monnieri. Another name of it is water hyssop, and in Asia they call it the bitter herbs or rau đắng. So without any further ado, I'll show you how green it gets. So the Bacopa Monnieri grows very well in water environment. So you would be able to find this type of herbs grow on pond water or on the edges of a river. Typically we want to keep this very wet, and I'm going to build a container that is very enclosed, that has no drainage, so that way we can keep the water level very high. And if you look very close, is the leaves are very, very thick. And if I am to describe how this tastes, it's very bitter. So I found that a lot of people eat this to help boost their short-term and long-term memory. There are many sources online that you'll be able to find Bacopa abstracts that people take on the regular basis in order to help with their memory, boost their memory, and it also help with anxiety control. When this was put down on the container, it was probably 10 stems, and now it has gotten to this point. The way that I've been eating this for a long time has been we cut the whole thing to the root here and wash it very clean, and then put it on a skillet, and my mom or my wife would stir fry with garlics and salt, peppers, and olive oils, and then sprinkles peanuts on top of it, and then we eat it with rice. I built this container here and I've sealed all around to make sure there will be no drainage, and I'll add soils on inside of here, and I will transplant half of the Bacopa over to here, and we take the other half, and I'll make a video of my wife cooking it, and I'll upload it to YouTube. So again, beautiful, thick, healthy herb that you should plant in your garden. It doesn't take much effort. All you have to do is stick it on the soil. So the soil that I've used to put this are compost mixed with peat moss and worm castings. I mix it together and put it to almost fill the container here. And every time I water it, I make sure I water all the way to the top, and it retains water for a while, and that really helps boost the growth of these plants here. And look how green and how juicy it is. Okay, well, if you like the video, please click like and subscribe to this channel, and I will make a video of my wife cooking these vegetables. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.